welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing another mukbang video for you guys. So I'm having my Eforiro soup. In case you have not seen the video of how I made the soup, I have it here on my channel, and some Semovita. So my Eforiro soup, I use some beef, cow skin, which is bomo, some tripes, and dry fish. I have the video here on my channel, like I said. So guys, just watch me enjoy this delicious Eforiro soup and Semovita. So guys, in case you hear some minor noise at the background, I have two soldiers, two boys, so you might be hearing some noise once in a while. But aside that, this is strictly a eating video. You just be hearing eating sound and licking. So now let's get right into this video. It's my Semovita. This soup so delicious, guys. Oh, sorry guys, I forgot to pay. This is ridiculous. And yes, there are some shrimps here, two big shrimps. Guys, as you can see, my semovita is finished. My soup is almost finished. My meat, so I'm just going to demolish the last meat now. This one is actually lamb. I added lamb. So guys, as you can see, I am done. Everything is gone. Then I try to eat fast because of my children. Because yeah, I try to eat fast because of my kids, because they'll soon come and disturb me. So I'm done with today's Mukbang. So guys, we've come to the end of this Mukbang video. I do hope you enjoyed watching me eat. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.